Hi friends, today we are making easy Vietnamese baked lemongrass fish in foil, a bright, fragrant dinner that tastes fresh and special without needing a complicated technique. It serves 4 and takes about 40 minutes, with tender fish, savory fish sauce, lime, scallions, and lots of lemongrass aroma. Let us walk through the ingredients, starting with 4 6-ounce white fish fillets. Choose a mild, firm fish so the lemongrass marinade can shine without overpowering it. 3 tablespoons finely minced lemongrass bring the signature Vietnamese citrusy fragrance, so use only the tender pale center for the best texture. 3 cloves minced garlic add a savory backbone that supports the lemongrass and makes the baked fish smell incredible. 1 tablespoon grated fresh ginger gives gentle warmth and keeps the marinade lively rather than heavy. 2 tablespoons fish sauce provide the deep salty umami that makes this simple baked fish taste distinctly Vietnamese. 1 tablespoon soy sauce rounds out the saltiness and helps the fish bake with a deeper color. 1 tablespoon fresh lime juice adds brightness and balances the salty fish sauce, and sweet brown sugar. 1 tablespoon brown sugar softens the sharp edges of the marinade and helps the juices turn glossy in the oven. 1 tablespoon neutral oil carries the aromatics across the fish and keeps the surface moist as it bakes. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper adds a little earthy heat without taking over the lemongrass. 1 small red chili thinly sliced brings a fresh pop of heat and color, and you can use a mild chili if you prefer a gentler bite. 4 scallions cut into 2-inch pieces create a fragrant bed under the fish and flavor the juices as everything bakes together. 1 cup fresh cilantro leaves finishes the fish with a cool herbal lift right before serving. 1 lime cut into wedges is for squeezing at the table, because that final hit of acidity wakes up the whole dish. We begin by preheating the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, then set a rimmed sheet pan on the counter so the foil packets will be easy to move in and out of the oven. Now that the pan is ready, lay out 4 large sheets of foil on it, 1 for each fish fillet, leaving enough foil around the edges to fold into sealed packets. Before we season, pat the 4 white fish fillets dry with a clean paper towel. This helps the marinade cling instead of sliding off. In a medium bowl, combine 3 tablespoons finely minced lemongrass, 3 cloves minced garlic, 1 tablespoon grated fresh ginger, 2 tablespoons fish sauce, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon fresh lime juice, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 tablespoon neutral oil, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, and 1 small thinly sliced red chili. Stir the marinade well until the brown sugar dissolves and the mixture looks glossy, fragrant, and evenly speckled with lemongrass and chili. Add the fish fillets to the bowl and gently coat both sides with the marinade, making sure the lemongrass and ginger touch every piece. Let the fish marinate for 15 minutes at room temperature. That short rest is enough for the aromatics to flavor the fish without making the texture too soft. While the fish has taken on that flavor, divide the 4 scallions cut into 2-inch pieces among the centers of the 4 foil sheets, making a small green bed for each fillet. Place 1 marinated fish fillet on top of each scallion bed, keeping the fillets centered so the packets seal neatly. Spoon any remaining marinade evenly over the 4 fish fillets, because those flavorful juices will steam and glaze the fish as it bakes. Fold the foil over each fillet and crimp the edges tightly to seal, but leave a little space inside each packet so steam can circulate around the fish. Bake the sealed packets for 14 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Inside the foil, the fish gently steams with the scallions and lemongrass sauce. After 14 minutes, carefully open the packets and fold the foil back, keeping your hands away from the steam and keeping the juices contained around the fish. Return the open packets to the oven and bake for 4 to 6 minutes more, until the fish flakes easily with a fork and the center reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Let the fish rest for 3 minutes, then scatter 1 cup fresh cilantro leaves over the hot packets and add 1 lime cut into wedges for serving. The cooking is complete, and the fish is ready to plate. And here it is, tender Vietnamese baked lemongrass fish with bright lime, savory juices, and fresh herbs, exactly the kind of easy dinner that feels restaurant-worthy but stays simple at home. Serve it right away with an extra squeeze of lime. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more easy cooking ideas.